a gochi at all Crookit Bawbee, for Bragog Wajin the Farbaby, Brach for beside of my green sock and wallet, and brawl your hemby and bonny glen sheep.
It's gin so that had it, for him next forget it to me. For all the brick out in your green silken wallet, I never would have Crookit Bawbee.
Oh, for a gochi that all worsted plaidy, the mantle and satin were fitter for thee. I will plead you with satin and mark your lady, gang you will gang with me to bonny glen sheep.
Ye may cleed me in satin and mark me a lady, and take me halfway to bonny glen sheep. But the heart that beats true neath this old worsted lady would get him one sign for this Crookit Bawbee.
Ye ken the laddie that gave you the penny, the laddie that's true till the been true to thee. Well, cleed ye in satin and mark your lady, and take ye off with me to bonny glen sheep.
Okay.
So we can do